Afternoon guys, how's it all going? Guess what? We finally sold the Jetta. I did actually, basically long story short is I couldn't find a door. It was a nightmare. The estate ones didn't fit. It has to be a Jetta and there was literally no other Jettas around anywhere. So I just couldn't be bothered with it. So what I did was I whacked it up for £1,000, exactly how it was. And nothing happened. Then I done 800 and then I was just getting offers for 500, and then some person decided to say 650, so I said there you go, have it for 650. I paid 370 for it, which was a steal anyway, and didn't do anything. Literally all I've done was washed it and polished it, hoovered it. So what's that, like 250, 280 quid just for doing washing and polishing. So it's done now, and I'm in the next car. So I'm doing this car challenge over again, because obviously I did do it ages and ages ago, and then I ended up buying the Focus, which is sitting right in front of me, the ST, and then I stopped because I still had money in that. And then obviously then the channel went a bit quiet with all the car flipping. It seems to be, my videos do better with how-tos and repairing things than just these car flips, so I slowed it down. But I thought I'll give it another go. So I bought that Jetta for 470 quid. I had a 500 budget. Obviously went and got it, and I think that was for 20 quid. So it owed me 490. And obviously £10 change, which probably chuck it in diesel, petrol, whatever. So yeah, so I had that. And then I sold that for 650. And now I've just gone and bought this car, which is a 2004 plate Mini. I love my Minis, don't I? Not, but obviously this is a better engine, so you can't go wrong. It's done 101,000 miles. It's in the electric blue that I love, because I used to have a Cooper S and I loved it. It looked wicked in this colour. So I've gone back to that again. I paid, this was up for like, how much was it up for? How much was this up for? Oh no, 700 quid or something. 700, 650? I don't know. But anyway, I knocked him down, because obviously I knew that he wanted to get rid of it quite quickly because he didn't need it, and I got it for 500 quid. So then that means I've got another 150 quid spare to fix it. And basically still got MOT, only just got MOT last month, which is brilliant. It's got a bit of service history, not a massive amount. What else it got? All that had on the advisory was what was it? Rear brake light is not working, which I'm just going to take it off and clean it up and look at it, or I'll just buy a new one. And that was it. It's not in advisory. This door here, it locks with the key, but it won't open with the key. So I'm going to be taking that apart and seeing what that is. Yeah, I'll just show you around and then we'll go from there. So here it is. Obviously this inside, it's got the grey metallic finish, which is quite cool. It's got some seat covers which will be ripped off, but obviously it is literally so clean I wouldn't even need to clean it. Look at that, because it's had seat covers on it. It's got aircon, I haven't checked it out yet. It's got aftermarket stereo, which is a bit annoying because I need to get the trim. I've got a trim I think somewhere around there, but they've put like a microphone and whatever on there, but I might just take all that out. Did have a phone holder, I need to take that out. It's got a spare headlight because it was a bit, I don't know why they actually got that. I'm not actually looked. 137 quid for a headlight they paid. Jesus Christ, the interior is really clean inside. So I'll show you the outside now. Yes, I think this must be this is probably the chili pack, because it's got aircon, you've got electric mirrors, you've got tyre pressure monitor, all that jazz. Ain't got a multi-point steering wheel though. Obviously this is done 100 and let's have that. I ain't got a key. Comes with 2 keys, which is a miracle. That never really happens. Yeah, and it's not long been serviced, so it's got 9,800 left. There you go, 100,000 miles. Right, let's see outside. Look at that colour. Love this colour in the Minis. I think it's a wicked colour. So you've got the white roof, white mirrors, there's no dents or anything in it. Make all these go nice and dark black again. There you go, guys. Tyres are all new, fantastic tread. These need a good old clean. Don't know what these tyres are. A Sunny Comfort. All matching, I think. Yeah, they're all brand new. Yep, all 4 tyres are all matching. You don't really see that much, do you? Windscreen's all good, not cracked. These normally go missing, which it's not. So anyway, guys, that is it. So the next video will be me fixing it all back up and flipping it and putting it up for sale, and then we're going to get another one. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Catch you later. Bye.